drop a more detailed rap track about recent news. Sound the volume, listen to the beat while storm going crazy and day to day. From streets to streets, there's no stops. Let's break it down from on to top.
Headlines screaming, wheels in the spin. Climate's changing, where do we begin? Tech's advancing, AI's on the rise. Truth and fiction blur before our eyes. 2024 is burning hot as your record. Wildfires raging, nature's discord. Amazon's ablaze, Arctic ice melting. Climate's on the top, but who's really helping? Economy's shaky, inflation still high. Cost of living soaring, people ask why. Tech layoffs hitting, but AI's taking flight. ChatGPT and Gemini, changing wrong and right. Elections worldwide, democracy's test. Misinformation spreads who'll come out best. Trump's legal battles, Biden's aging question. Voters divided on the nation's direction. Middle East tension, ceasefires, fragile state. Humanitarian crisis, debates isolate. Ukraine's still fighting. 2 years have passed, global alliance is shifting fast. Headlines screaming, wheels in the spin. Climate's changing, where do we begin? Tech's advancing, AI's on the rise. Truth and fiction blur before our eyes. Space race heats up Mars in our sights. Private companies reaching new heights. Artemis program aiming for the moon. Will we see boosts there maybe real soon? Pandemic shadow, new variants emerge. Healthcare systems pushed to the verge. Vaccines evolving, science marches on, but mistrust lingers. Conspiracy spawns. Stay woke, keep your mind open wide. In this sea of info, where to swim not hide. World's complex, no easy solutions. But knowledge is power, spark a revolution. Stay informed, but don't let it break you. Together we'll shape the future, let's make it.